Good morning, students. This is Pooja Singh, ma'am. I hope you all are enjoying your summer vacation. And now here I am today to introduce you along with an activity of art and craft which is totally based on a story. So the things we need is here in front of you. The things we need is a scissor, a fevicol, or you can use a fevistick, marker pens or sketch pens as well, green color, you can see over here, green color crayon and a black sheet along with a small piece of a paper you can take, or a square sheet of yellow, or you can also use skin color. Now let's start. For this, first we are going to fold the paper. Okay. Now you can see you will cut into a rectangular shape. Okay. We had two pieces. Now first part we will put it over here, and in the second part we are going to draw a semicircle. Okay children, now we are going to cut this semicircle. Start. Now we will slightly cut this like this. Now see, here is the body of the crow, and here you can see the face of a crow. We will paste it in this manner. Now to draw the wings, we are going to take the sheet, fold it like this, and then draw like this, or you can draw in your different manner, and then again we are going to cut it. As you can see children, the wings are ready, and I pasted it with the help of a fevicol. Here children, we have our skin colors sheet, and I have folded it into two. Now see, we are going to draw the leg. Straight line, slanting, slipping, again go up like this. See. Now we are going to cut the leg. We will put a fevicol, and then we are going to paste the leg like this. Now here we are going to make the beak of a crow. It is diamond in shape, and then we are going to cut it and paste. Now we have a piece of a paper, white paper, to make the eyes of a crow. We will fold it again, semicircle shape, and then again we are going to cut it. As you can see children, our crow is ready. Now here we are going to start with our peacock. Now you can see our peacock is ready, and here in this picture, in this page, we are going to draw a square or a rectangular for writing the story. We will write the moral of the story. in this area. As you can see, the outline of the peacock has been done with the help of black sketch pen. Now with dark green color, or you can say peacock green color, we are going to color the peacock. We can also use navy blue color in its body. Now see children, we have colored the peacock. You can color it in your manner, whatever the colors are available, you can use them. Either it can be crayon or sketch pens. And now we have some beads along with us. You can use these sparkles, beads, leaves, mirrors, as well as different kind of items used for decoration. As children, you can see, I am decorating the body of the peacock with golden leaves. Now see children, as we have decorated with different kinds of things available along with me. Now here to put sparkle, I am teaching you how to put sparkle. See, this is Fevicol and you can use Fevicol in this manner. You can do it like this, here, wherever you feel like you want to decorate, you can put Fevicol like this. And then we are going to spray the sparkles like this. See. Now see children, here I have blue color beads and which we are putting on the border, on the face area of the peacock. Now again we are coming back to our crow. Now in the story you will find that the crow wanted to become a peacock. So the wings which were left of the peacock, he used it and pasted it on its wings. Now see, we are going to draw it, and now we are going to color it in the same manner we have done as peacocks. So children, see, our crow and the peacock are ready. Along with this, I tell you one story. In this story, our crow wishes to be colorful and bright, but he soon realizes how foolish he had been in comparing himself to other birds. So children, what is the moral of the story? We come to know that never compare yourself to others. Be happy in whatever you are and whatever we have. Thank you.